Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steven from Simple Tech. So today I'm going to teach you on how you can get to know whether your machine is compatible with Windows 11. So the first thing is just to go to Microsoft official website and check system requirement. So for start, you need 1 GHz processor, 4 GB RAM, and minimum of 64 GB of hard disk. Then firmware should be secure boot capable and trusted platform module. This is a security module for the new Windows 11, and maybe this one may look techish to you, but we have a simpler platform where you can get to know whether your machine is capable of upgrading to Windows 11. So we're going to use this tool, whynotwindows11.com. I will link these sites in the description box below. So come to the downloads and click download. Once the file is downloaded, you can click to launch it. At first, you may get this warning from Microsoft Defender smart screen, or warning you of unrecognized app from starting. So to run this, you just click on more info and then click run anyway. So it's loading. So once it has loaded, it will show you all the things that are needed for Windows 11 to run on your machine. So if you have more green boxes, it means that your machine is capable of handling Windows 11. If you have some boxes that are marked in red, it means that your system may not be able to support Windows 11. But some of these features may be disabled on your machine, so be sure to click on more information and check whether, for example, secure boot is enabled or disabled in your BIOS system. So that is the simplest way you can know whether your machine is capable of handling or running Windows 11. Kindly note, Windows 11 is still under development, so I wouldn't recommend this one for production use. You can only use this maybe for experimenting and just to know the features that they are rolling out, but don't use this in production. So until Microsoft rolls it out to the public, that's maybe when you can be confident enough to use in production. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video till the end. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, goodbye.